B2B lead generation is the process of identifying the ideal customers for your product or service, then attracting them to buy. It is an essential activity for B2B sales and marketing teams. B2B lead generation is the first step in the sales and marketing funnels. It begins with the collection of vital information concerning a potential customer, also known as a lead. The information will include elements such as the lead's name, email address, company name, and job title. This information is called B2B data. Then, once the lead's B2B data has been gathered, it can be actioned through a series of sales and marketing activities. Salespeople can use it to contact likely buyers through emails, telephone calls, and social media messages. This process is called B2B Outbound. Or, if the lead is not yet likely to buy, they can be nurtured by the marketing team until they are. Typically, nurturing is done by providing the lead with relevant and useful content, such as blogs, white papers, and case studies. This process is called demand generation. The ultimate goal of B2B lead generation is to create a consistent and predictable pipeline of leads who are highly likely to convert into customers. B2B lead generation, implemented correctly through data-driven decision-making, brings new customers and revenue into your business, allowing it to grow.